Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use n8n to build your very first free AI agent. n8n is an open source automation tool, and with just a few nodes, you can connect AI models, APIs and tasks together all without coding. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for n8n. Then you will be landed on the official website of n8n. Then you need to sign up for the free cloud version, and you can also download it to run locally. Now the cloud setup is very easy for beginners, and you are also going to get 14 days free trial. As you can see, I have it. So once you are inside your editor, it should look something like this. Over here, you are going to see the option of workflow. So click on the option of create workflow. Then you can start your new workflow. Now this is where you are going to drag and drop the nodes to build your agent. Now you can start with a trigger node. So you can click over here on this option. Then you can simply use the search bar and search for, let's say, webhook. So once you are able to find webhook, you need to click on it, and then simply click on the option of listen to the test event. So your AI agent activates when you send it the request. So this is why we are using for. Now you can add open AI node over here. For that, you can just simply go to the option back from here, and after that you can just simply click on this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can search for open AI. So you can use the search bar and search for open AI. If you have the API key, you can type in simple prompts like summarize this text or answer this question, and it is going to be doing that for you. Now you can also add the action node, so you can decide what happens when the AI is output. You can send it like email, Slack, Discord, or even you can save it to the Google Sheets. So you can drag the connection line to link the nodes together. Now once you have added whatever you needed over here, it will come here something like this. Now you can click on the option of execute workflow to send a test request and watch your AI agent respond instantly. Now you can name this workflow and toggle it in order to activate it, and you have a working agent all built with the help of free tools. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.